This is Brain Lion Institute, episode 36. Blood, the transport system of energy. How energy actually moves. Energy doesn't travel by intention. It doesn't move because you want more. Energy travels by blood. If the gut decides what is allowed to enter the body, blood decides what happens next, where it goes, how fast it moves, and how expensive that movement becomes. Blood is not just oxygen delivery, it is a transport system. It carries oxygen, glucose, fatty acids, amino acids, hormones, immune signals, waste products. Every moment, blood is deciding priorities: movement, repair, defense, detoxification. Energy does not disappear, it is allocated through circulation. Clean blood is not new age spiritual idea. It is logistical. When blood carries inflammatory signals, toxins, excess glucose, immune complexes, transport becomes slower, heavier, more costly. Not because the body is failing, but because the cargo has changed. Inflammation is expensive transport. Inflammation is not just pain or swelling, it is a rerouting of blood flow. More immune cells, more signaling molecules, more processing. That costs ATP, energy that could support clarity, warmth, creativity, recovery, is now paying for logistics under pressure. Why detox is resource heavy? Detox is not cleansing, detox is work. Filtering blood requires enzymes, minerals, oxygen, time. Every molecule neutralized requires energy. This is why aggressive detox often leads to fatigue, not because it's healing, but because it's expensive. When energy feels low, low energy is not always low intake. Often it's high transport cost, heavy blood cargo, constant immune traffic. The system is busy, not broken, busy. Energy doesn't move by motivation, it moves by circulation, and circulation reflects what the blood is carrying. This is where fatigue becomes understandable. Next episode, when blood carries more than energy. Thank you.